All right, I'm here by myself and I gotta fish a wire from the inside of the garage to the outside for a camera. I rigged up this little fishing line here, a little trick for you guys. Put it on the tip here, right there, and then you just add a bunch of circles. We're gonna shove it into the hole right up there that I made, and then we're gonna try to fish it out of that hole right there all by ourselves. Let's try it. Now I would use at least number 12 wire, and there's the hole right there, and that's to get that Cat 5 out to the camera. So we wanna shove that in there as far as we can go. Okay, we want to make sure we put a big loop on this so we don't accidentally pull it through. And now let's go to the outside and see if we can pull that through on the first try. So let's go ahead and shove it in. There she blows. We're good to go.